electric smokers seem to have a problem with the bottom hinge. It seems to want to rust out. I used a piece of aluminum and grinded down on it to recreate that pivot joint at the bottom. I will leave a parts list in the description.